Good Thursday afternoon, everybody. It's Thursday, May 23rd, 2019. Welcome into another edition of Talking Fitchburg from Fitchburg, Wisconsin, USA. Andrew and I were just testing out our radio voices prior to coming on here. And Andrew, if you were going to be running a radio show, would you want the morning ride in or the ride at 5? Which one would you do, Andrew? Come on.
Which one would I host?
Yes. Would you want the early morning or would you want the ride in? We know Scott gets the 10 o'clock shift.
Okay.
He's got the deepest voice here. He can just slow things down at 10 o'clock. But Andrew,
I'll start off your day.
You start off your day?
Yeah.
So you get all the kooky like, we're taking caller number 7. Come on right now.
Sure.
Tickets to Bratfest. Something like that.
Hey, that's tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, then I get to cheer everybody.
Are you bringing brats tomorrow, Jeremy?
I am. I was planning out my route here. I saw that Saris, they're giving away 2 free brats to the first 200 bikes. Brats to the first 200 bicyclists that pedal into Will Island tomorrow. So I was trying to decide: do I find a bike and
just? Hey, can I borrow that for 10 minutes?
I'm gonna ask the chief when he comes in today if he'll borrow me one of the police bikes. As long as he gets brats, I'm betting he's gonna be okay with it. But we can check in with him and see what he says.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like your plan.
But yes, we'll see. We'll see. It is on my way and your way in too. So
it is. I'm down as well.
You have to get there early though.
Yes.
That's the thing.
Otherwise, you wait.
Yes. So, all right. We do have a great show for you today. Very busy show. We'll get you ready for the weekend. A lot of events coming up here, including a big one tonight. We'll talk about it here in just a second. And then we're going to get you ready for Memorial Day weekend. We talked a little bit about safety the other day. We really want to focus in on the traffic because traffic will be booming here as you travel this Memorial Day weekend. I know you're all traveling, so I want to make sure you're going to be safe out there. And then sticking with safety, my friend Chad Brecklin, your chief of police, Fitchburg Police Department, he'll be joining us live in studio, in person. He doesn't even know what we're going to talk about, so we're just gonna have fun. And we'll get an update from the police department. We do have serious business, Chad. We'll get up to date with him here in just a little bit of time. But first, we do turn to your headlines, and we start with the Dane County Law Enforcement Safety Forum tonight. That's right. Tonight, you can join chiefs from across Dane County, including yours truly, Chief Chad Brecklin. Did you know you're going to this tonight? Okay, good. Everything you want to know about a law enforcement, but you're afraid to ask. Love the title here. Come on out. You're going to have the police chief from Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Shorewood Hills, and Dane County Sheriff Dave Mahoney. We'll all be there tonight. We'll be broadcasting this live as well, so if you can't make it, don't fret. Just tune into the comm channel, 7 o'clock tonight, and we will have that for you. So looking forward to the discussions that happen tonight. Be cool to get and maybe let's ask Chad about this, about getting all the chiefs together. What crazy things would happen? I was kind of curious, so we'll ask him here in just a little bit of time. All right, coming up this weekend, the Splash Pad is finally opening for the season. That's right, this Saturday, 10 a.m. and daily 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. through Labor Day weekend. The Splash Pad will be open, unless it's closed for repairs or something, but that can happen from time to time. Not saying it's going to happen, but you never know. Either way, we hope you'll join us. Hopefully the weather is cooperative this weekend, but you'll have the rest of the season to get down to that splash pad. That's at McKee Farms Park, 2930 Chapel Valley Road. Be down there. Andrew will give the first 100. No, I was kidding. Whoa.
First 100 high fives.
100 high fives. I would dump a bucket of water on them if I was doing that, but that's just me. All right, it is Building Safety Month. It was celebrated during council last week here, and we just wanted to recognize our Building Safety crew here. May is Building Safety Month, sponsored by the International Code Council to remind the public about critical role of our community's largely unknown prospects of public safety. Our local code and officials who ensure our safety, efficient, and livable buildings that are all essential to Americans' prosperity. Boy, is that a really big, it's a big title there. You're seeing Jack Pearson there. He's a code enforcement inspector with Building Inspection Department. Does a great job along with Paul. And Mr. Richardson there, our mayor, was recognizing him again last week. But hey, might as well give that shout out when we can. There's been a lot of great things here with the EMS week, police week last week. It's been a lot of things. And speaking of another great observance, how about Memorial Day? Yeah, come out to the city's Memorial Day observance. That's happening on Monday, Memorial Day. This is everybody's invited. We hope you all be there. I'll be there. So come, I'll give everybody a high five. Not even the first 100. I'll give everyone, anybody who says it. You're going to meet all of us at the Fitchburg Fire Department, station number 2. Our ceremony will be starting at 12:15 p.m. This year's speaker is Janelle Rice, former mayor here of City of Fitchburg. And then at approximately 1:30, we'll head over to the memorial at Gorman Wayside Park as they'll lay a wreath on the is it Chalet? Chalet? Do you know, Emma? Chalet? I've been saying it. I've been saying Chalet all week, but I just been waiting for you guys to correct me on that. So either way, 12:15, be out there, and we are going to attempt to broadcast this live. So if you can't make it, and you're, wherever you are, you can watch it. So we'll get you the details tomorrow here on Talking Fitchburg. All right, as you get ready for the weekend, maybe you want to try out something free and fun. How about disc golf? Yeah, that's right. Dane County Parks has some free disc golf over this weekend. Hey, you can check this out Saturday, May 25th, 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Try disc golf free at any Dane County Parks or Madison Parks disc golf courses. There's a lot of them here. The closest one that I've seen, I think, Selvert Park. Anybody want to correct me on that? Oh, Capitol Springs, that one's closer, huh? Like, it's similar. Well, Nine Springs golf course, right? Has
it's actually just outside the town of Dunn.
Man, we got to have Chad here more often. Said that one's just outside the town of Dunn, so maybe you can check it out. Hey, whatever. It's free golf over the weekend. Check it out if you're interested in playing. What a great way to try it out.
Yeah, there are definitely more courses than the 4 listed. That was just part of the read.
Mm-hmm.
But there are websites to check out, and we'll have those on the Facebook post.
I was just going to say, Andrew, you post this up. You post all the links to where we get our stories from, so you can check that out. The full list will be online for your viewing pleasure. Finally, Dane County thanks emergency medical service personnel during National EMS Week. We've celebrated all week long. Well, we throw this in that Dane County Executive Joe Parisi is recognizing the efforts of the highly trained men and women who work to serve their communities 24 hours a day, 365 days a year with prompt and efficient emergency services. This recognition comes as communities across the country celebrate, everywhere, right? Celebrate EMS Week and honor those in the chain of survival. And yeah, I was an EMT. Andrew, you're in fire. Any public safety, everybody comes together and works hard, and could be prouder of all of our public safety operations. And 2019 marks 42 years that Dane County EMS has provided vital public service. 42 years. You'd think it'd been forever, right? 42 years. Bet you Chad remembers taking people in a police car to the hospital. That was your day. I bet back in your day. I know it is. Don't even. Mm-hmm. He can't defend himself, so he doesn't. Previous chief, he says. All right. We need to take a quick break. Coming up next, we'll be talking about safety for the Memorial Day weekend. That's next right here on Talking Fitchburg.